Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome back. Thanks for tuning in. In today's tutorial, I'll be using a window insulation kit to show all of you how to save money on your heating bill this winter and also add a little extra layer of warmth to your home. Especially older homes, this will really come in handy, all right? So we're gonna get started here in a moment. I'll show you what kit I'm using. I'm not affiliated with this product. It's just something I've used multiple years out here on the East Coast. And then I'll be showing you the basic tools you're gonna need to get it done, all right? So let's get started. I've got a Frost King, nine window kit. So we're gonna use this, and then we're gonna use some tape and get it all set up. Let the tape set up for about 10 minutes after you put it on there, and then we'll stretch out the window covering, all right? And yeah, you just want to line out where you're going to be putting the window film, all right? The window insulation kit. And yeah, just kind of, like I said, clean your area first. And then just get a good line for your insulation, for your tape. All right, the panel that I purchased came with 9 window panel kits, pieces, all right? So basically these are 42 inches wide by 62 inches tall. It is not always simple to get these on. I'm gonna be honest, I'm not one of those YouTubers that's gonna show you a perfect version. I'm hoping this comes out right. I've already tried it once today and failed miserably. So feel free to laugh. If you got a better way than what I'm about to do, please drop it in the comments. I will take your advice and try it in the future. But for everyone trying to do this, I'm just gonna be real. It's kind of a pain in the butt, but once you get it right and get it put on correctly, you're really gonna enjoy the benefit, all right? So the first thing you wanna do, theoretically, meaning in practice, is to get a nice bead of this, get this across the top. Not completely firm, but somewhat firm, all right? Like somewhat pulled tight is what I mean by that. Then you're gonna slowly move down the sides. Now the key to this is you need this to be the same height across, okay? If it's tilted a little bit, if you don't get it even across here, then your bottom's gonna be all kinked and it's really not gonna work. And you're gonna be back at the drawing board trying again like I am, all right? But again, take your time at this part because you want it done right the first time, okay? See, I'm already running into a little bit of issue here from not watching my work. Put your hairdryer on hot and high, hold it about 4 or 6 inches away, and you're just gonna start working out all these wrinkles, all right? It's gonna take a little bit of time, just be patient. All right, I was getting nowhere with that hairdryer. It's super old, so I brought out the big guns, the space heater, all right? I don't recommend this to the kids at home, but if you're a grown-up and you know what you're doing, well, you can figure out how to get this to work and get some super big heat on this shrink wrap. Let's finish this up, all right? Okay, so there it is. That is a window with a window insulation wrap over it, a shrink wrap over it. Okay, let's take a quick look. It looks pretty smooth, and we'll get the angle from where the light is. Yeah, that's a smooth surface, all right? Just go around, you trim up any extra loose film, any loose wrap as best you can. Don't cut too close so you don't cut your shrink wrap, and you should be good to go. Okay, so there you have it. That's how you put window insulation over a window so you can save on that heating bill over the winter and keep your house a little bit warmer. Any questions or suggestions on how to do this better, drop it in the comments, all right? If this video helped, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on those notifications. I can try to drop videos every couple weeks. Yeah, thanks for watching. Take it easy. Be kind to each other out there. Peace.